You know, guys, where we at right now? Where we at?
Harpers Ferry, and you're surfing right now. There's like a rushing rapids.
I hate you. I hate you.
And that's why you gotta watch your step, or at least not wear flip-flops like I am. I wasn't prepared for this. But as you can tell, it's not that deep.
Yeah, look at the view.
It's like
right
maybe
now.
a foot and a half, at least right here. Hey, Jack. Where are you at?
Under the stone.
Oh, there you are.
There's a very nice bridge out there. This river. This is
I think it's called the Shenandoah River. I'm not sure.
the what?
I think it's the Shenandoah River, but I'm not sure.
It's very nice.
So that's a lot of savings, okay.
Now here's what I would recommend to you then, in regard to that. Hang on to this.
Okay.
And what can you see right now is our second stop here in Shenandoah Park. It's really nice, right? There's more, so keep watching. So we are now here in the top, or the most visited area in Shenandoah Park. There's a lot of stop, or you can stop anywhere or any place you want, because there's really a lot of beautiful scenery. But since my fiance is always in a hurry, we didn't stop to some places, and good thing he needs to use restroom, so we stopped here. It's really nice. I like the house over there. It's actually the restroom, or the rest area. And look at the view. And what I admire the most here is this tree. That, and yeah, actually it's a good place for a wedding photo shoot. But one other tree that I really like is that. And there's a lot of fruit flies, I don't know why. So let's just get over here. Wow, there's a cute dog. the view is really overwhelming. It's really nice. I like it. If I just have a car and if everything just works well, then I think I can go and explore more. But for now, I am so limited. I'm gonna visit this place again. It's mind blowing.